Alright, good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. So I know my videos have been kind of delayed, and maybe you guys are waiting for them, maybe you're not waiting for them. Whatever the case may be, I'm really sorry. Anyway, I'll explain why my videos are always delayed. So today's agenda, entirely sure where we're going. Didn't really have plans, hit a few people up to see if they want to link up. They never got back to me, so well, let's say that I didn't invite them. I don't know if you guys could tell if it's hazy or not. It's pretty hazy out. We've been having massive wildfires. I don't know if you guys were really tracking them. If you are in California, you probably were tracking them. But they were pretty bad up in Napa County. We're gonna hop on a highway real quick and have no idea where I'm going. You guys already can guess. I'm probably going to end up in San Francisco, San Jose, Oakland area. I don't know. There's just so much more out there. There's nothing out by me. Absolutely nothing. Yeah. Alright, so without further ado, I'm gonna hop on the world's windiest highway, and I will catch up with you guys afterwards. And we're back. I think I can leave you guys with no traffic today, huh? Wow, this traffic's bad. Mr. Motorcycle. Jesus, let's go. Oh, it's so glorious to have a bike and be able to lane split legally. Yeah, 12th Street. Let's go to 12th Street. I feel like this could have been like a really nice area at one point. Probably way back in the day before this all became a city. Sure, let's go underneath this tunnel, see what happens. Listen, I don't know my way around either, but I'm a little more adept to a green light. Oh! That's it's like a little village. Homeless. Boy. Bicycles get a nice wide lane. Oh, there's water right here. And more homeless. Geese. I hate geese. I always get attacked by birds. Nothing to see here, officer. Oh, someone lost their jacket. Get out of here, jacket. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, Oakland is over. I missed a shift. I always miss shifts in this bike. I suck. More traffic. More traffic. Traffic everywhere. Can't escape this traffic. It's all over the place. I try all my hardest and still can't escape it. This video is probably going to be very uneventful. I feel like nothing's going to happen. I shouldn't say it that way. Then something will happen and it'll probably be really bad. But ultimately, then I'm going to hate this video. Folsom Street. Yeah, Folsom Street. That's it. Oh, G-Wagon. Those things are so ugly. I don't know why people love them so much. Squeeze. Squeeze. Hey. The moment you get passed by someone just scooting along. I have no idea where I'm going, guys. I'm just kind of just riding around right now. You could always visit my friend Willie over there. Oh, Willie Mays. Still a legend. What's down here? I thought there was like literally this ramp went right up to the ship. I was like, oh. Park the bike on it. On a restricted area. Boats always fascinate me. How something this massive just floats. Has a incredible buoyancy, yet you throw me in water and I just sink straight to the ground no matter what I do. Alright, I'm done being a tourist. Yeah. Ah! I look like an idiot doing that. Generosity. Oh, generosity. Probably can make it down there. I am gonna make it down there. Watch. I meant to do this and you didn't. I don't think I can go any further. It's that gate up there. Oh, look at the Golden Gate. Well, I guess we're not going to go up there. See, I was going to go, there's a spot up there that I like to go to that I recently discovered. And I'm not going to go up there now because look, it's shitty over there. For some odd reason, it's just, you get wet. Pause. Is that for boats? Leave me a comment, let me know. These things, these bumpers for boats? I think so, yeah, most likely. Never mind, you don't have to leave me a comment. You guys can all just shut up. Shut up! Hey, what's up, boys? Oh, so let me tell you guys. Oh man, I'm not happy. I'm very upset about this. I was supposed to leave the end of September. Now I'm leaving 11 September. It's not the date that upsets me. The thing that upsets me is one, I said I wasn't going to go this way, and I'm going this way. But two, I have to quarantine before I actually leave and deploy. So I'm not going to say exactly where I'm going, but I can assure you, it's not a very good place. You know what that does to a man? I don't know, it probably just annoys him, but... And the thing is, it's because, like, I just want to be there. I just want to start work. I just want to be there. That's it. I just want to start working. I need to get some gas before I leave. $8.53. That's all you're getting. Sorry, Kehlani. You're going down the wrong way there, Chief. Get the fuck out the way, man. Dude, go over here. And I'm sorry, yo. Y'all probably gonna get mad and some people probably gonna bitch that I yelled at them, but there's a bicycle lane for them. That's the whole premise behind the bicycle lane. I know I'm gonna have people saying stuff to me and possibly in the comments or I'm an asshole for doing that, but you have to understand the frustration. Yes, this light is green. Woo! Oh, we don't have to sit there and smell all that crap. My lane. Thank you. I guess to pick up where I left off. So, yeah, are you guys sad that I'm leaving? Because I'm sad. You guys should be sad. If you're not sad, well, fuck you guys. I'm just kidding. It's crazy that, I mean, the time came up real fast from when I first told you guys. Boy, he's leaving in 2 weeks. It's still surreal, deploying. Just all the prep work and everything, and this one's been stressful. I won't lie, this one has been really stressful. But yeah, 2 more weeks, man. 2 more weeks. And we on the other side of the earth. You guys can still talk to me through Instagram, right here. Yes, I will respond. I'm not that popular. I don't get a shit ton of messages, so I'm thinking of maybe bringing my GoPro with me. Actually, I probably will. I'll probably bring all my camera equipment with me while I'm working. I mean, you'll just get like a kind of like a, what you're seeing now, like a first person, like point of view. Maybe I can give you guys something on this channel, you know what I mean? Now if I do post stuff like that, it's not gonna be like crazy. I mean, it may only be like a 5-minute video, and those videos will not stay, so they'll just be there as fillers. So I do apologize that, you know, you're gonna be watching them and then they may disappear. So I don't know. I'm definitely bringing my camera equipment with me though. At least the GoPro. Yeah, it's gonna be a long 6 to 7 months away. I have so much planned. Oh my god, I cannot tell you guys. Hopefully I don't lose you guys. Maybe I'll post pictures too on my YouTube. But I can assure you guys, this is not the end. And I'm not gonna be cliche, but like, this is just the beginning. No, it's not the beginning. I'm kinda in the middle. We're in a midlife crisis right now. But I think we're gonna go ahead and end today's video. If you guys made it to the end of this video, you guys are the real troops. Because damn, not a thing happened today at all. Nothing. Not a zilch. Zero. But I guess if you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't happen to like it, hey, I mean, go ahead and give me a thumbs down. I'm not gonna be mad at you. Maybe. Make sure you guys do hit that notification bell so you guys are aware of when I upload a new video. Texting and driving. Or sleepy. One of the two. How do you know, you guys? Stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated in all of your goals in life. Your boy Machine here, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Later.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion.